Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Ansar. Ansar joined our funded trader program last 30 of October and hit his first 10% target on the 7th of December. Okay, so slightly more than 1 month for him to hit his first 10% target. Well done, Ansar, and congratulations first of all. Let's have a look at the statistics here. So we can see an average daily return of 0.23%, an average monthly return of 7.14%, with a floating drawdown of 7.46%. Because I think he slightly went in negative territory, but not even that much. Yes, so yeah, he almost was always positive on his account. Very good. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So 242 position opened with a profitability rate of 76%. Very good. Let's have a look at the average win, 10.8 pips, with an average loss of 27 pips. So on average, he used to lose more than he used to win in terms of pips, but since the profitability rate is 76%, which is quite high, he still managed to be profitable over time. Ansar had his best trade on the 7th of December. He gained $276, while on the 6th of November he lost $670. In terms of pips, I can see that the worst trade was still on the 6th of November. He lost 184 pips, while on the 4th of December he gained 87 pips, and was his best trade in terms of pips. Let's have a look at the summary. So, from the summary we can see 59 position opened on the pound New Zealand. He gained more than $400. 76 position opened on the pound dollar, on which he gained 477 pips, amazing, with a result of $1,596 for him. Very good, very well done, impressive. Let's have a look also at the negative side. We can see here 57 position opened on Euro New Zealand. He lost 390 pips on this pair, losing $714. But overall we can see more green than red, which is always a good sign. Let's also have a look at the account history for him. So the 30th of October when he first joined, and let's have a look at the lot size he has been using. So it didn't go full lot on his position since he started. We can see different lot size for different trades that he opened, that he took, and yes, we can see here on the 10th of December when he hit his first 10% target, and is now managing the second account, the $30,000 account with us. An average trade length of 6 hours and a half. So I look at the duration scatter plot. Okay, the majority of the position were held for less than 1 day, and then we have few others held for longer. Unfortunately, those held longer were the negative trades for him. There is only one exception here for one positive position, but again we want to mention the profitability rate, which is quite high for his account, so he still managed to be profitable over time. Okay, Ansar, well done, and I look forward to do the second review of your account.